This is way more intense. Now I look like a clown. All right, we're gonna film things a little bit different today because now I have 2 cameras set up and I'm hoping that we can get some like different angles and stuff. So let's see, which is perfect because I need to get ready, filming another video. You probably already saw it if you aren't new here. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. New videos here every single Thursday, but I am filming for that video and I found a whole bunch of products that are like ads on Instagram and TikTok primarily, maybe YouTube as well. And I saw a lot of ad spend behind these products. So I bought them and we're gonna test them out. We're gonna see what the deal is. Are they worth it? Are they not? We're gonna find out. Starting with Summer Fridays. And I feel like Summer Fridays, whenever there's a new launch, there's a ton of hype behind it, right? I actually just ordered a dupe for one of their really popular products. So that's coming soon. Shh, don't tell anyone. But these are their jet lag eye patches and they're supposed to be just incredibly hydrating. They have a lot of humectants to them. They're gonna keep that under eye not only depuffed, but also just like really soft, sleek. This is what we're looking for. The anti-jet lag approach. Apparently there's caffeine and peptides, so it's gonna firm the under eye area too. So we're gonna test it out. Clean, dry under eye area. Check. 10 minutes or longer. All right, we can do that. I was really hoping for a more satisfying, but there's more grip to it than I thought. Use some muscle behind that one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. They're like these little blue guys. Dubba-dee dubba-da. I can't help myself. I'm a millennial, let me live. They're blue. They are on the thicker side too. I find sometimes these patches are very thin and sometimes they're really thick. So I don't know how well I'm gonna do in terms of filming and talking while having these on, but we're gonna try. We'll pop them on. They're nice and cooling. Oh, so reflective. Oh, so shiny. I kind of want my nails to look like that. All right, so we pop those on. We're good. Now we're going on to a mascara. My phone is just like it's blowing up. Who am I talking to? It's Chris, Dibs, and my dad. I have a very thriving social life. Caroline is showing me images of this beautiful, beautiful stand mixer. Have you seen this one? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. That hunter green with the wood bowl. Ugh, it's so expensive. So expensive. What was I talking about? Mascara. That's what we're gonna talk about. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to convince Christopher that it is a good financial decision. It's like there's nowhere on the counter for it. I'm like, okay, but listen, I need some pro tips. How can I convince myself that this is a good financial decision? You guys are great at it, so any tips, let me know. Okay, the mascara. This is the Too Faced Ribbon Wrapped Lash. This is going to give extreme length and lift, no smudging or clumping. I wonder, are you tubing? Tubing, yes. Super extended tube around the lashes. It's gonna sweep through all lash types, including fine, sparse, short, straight, curly, downward, dense, all the lashes. Give my lashes a little extra curl, you know? So you can see the bristles here. They're very small, very spiky. It looks like something that you would take. What are those like the balls with the spikes? You like whip them at people? I don't know. Okay, let's see. What are we looking at for this? You can see like the lashes are longer for sure. I'm just trying to see if I can get them to look thicker as well, which I know isn't necessarily the whole point of a tubing mascara. They're gonna be cemented on. They are longer though. Do you see that? That is for sure longer. Okay, what happens if I do a second coat? So that is what my lashes are looking like. I don't know which one you can see it better in. Definitely longer, for sure. I think it looks nice, especially if it doesn't budge at all. Like this would be a good option for the summertime, assuming again that it's not gonna budge, because tubing mascaras do be good like that. Let's try the other side. Keep having to slide these up. Honestly, they're not moving that much, the under eye things. Keep forgetting that I have them on, to be honest. There are some brands and they just like will not adhere to the skin at all unless you are statue still. But I will let you guys know how this does through the course of the day. We shall see. All right, this has definitely been 10 minutes. So I'm going to take these off. We'll see how my skin feels. How does it look? How does it look? You can see the outline because I did apply self-tanner this morning because I forgot last night, all right? So I'm not gonna docket points for that. That's fine. That's on me. I wanted to see if I smile, it does seem to be more firm under the eyes. That's nice. These might be a good thing to pack if you are doing any traveling. Have kind of like pop those on for the last, you know, the descent really. Just make sure you didn't just apply self tanner like I did. All right, well, we'll have to see how that looks with some makeup on top. Which we do need to get into now. I'm gonna let it marinate just a bit, or dry down. Marinate's the wrong word. It already did that. Apply some primer now. Get that all on. Oh, actually, while I get on my foundation, because I do need to do that, I'm gonna share with you testing the Opi RapidDry. They have a line of this that's supposed to dry in 60 seconds, 5-day wear with 2 coats without any chipping or anything like that. So I did get this color, but of course, today I have shellac on my nails, so I can't test it currently. So I'm gonna take you to when I do test it. I really thought that my nails would be done. They aren't. So on to the toenail polish we go. So it seems like a lot, but here we go. I have the color and I'm gonna set a timer on my phone. I'll do that first. 1 minute is what it requested. Let's see what the color is like. Oh, it's pretty. Just pretend this is a good job, okay, everyone? But in terms of the polish itself, it is very, what's the word I'm looking for? Pigmented. Pigmented. It is a very pigmented polish. That's good. Fun fact, did you know that a horse stepped on this toe and my nail completely fell off? Now you know. So I guess now we wait here until the time is up. A couple more seconds, everyone. We can do it. Okay. So there's the time. Now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna whack it against my nail. Oh, did I use too much? That's not dry. It's not even a little bit dry. Maybe I just used too much. Hang on, let's try again. Okay, I took it off and like cleaned it, let it dry, put on another coat, and this time I did a much lighter coat. I'm not convinced this one was thin enough, but these ones I did for sure very, very thin. And it's been a minute. That one, yeah, that one's still a little bit. That one also is a little bit. Okay, I don't know if the 1 minute thing holds. Maybe I'm doing a terrible job. I felt like I looked at a couple of their videos that they had on their Instagram kind of showing how to do it. So I don't know. Again, the first nail seemed more done, but there was definitely more than 60 seconds that it's been drying for. But I mean, it's a beautiful color. I do like that. It probably does dry faster than like a regular polish. I'm sure there are elements in it. It says it has like solvents or something in it that's gonna help it to dry faster. I don't know. I'm sure it does dry faster. I'm not gonna hold it to its 60-second thing. Like, you know, but like for sure a lot faster. I love the color, is gorgeous, very creamy, very pretty, and a good level of pigment too, especially for a light blue color. Like that's hard to find sometimes. So I mean, 2 coats is just, that's gonna be perfection. It's a beautiful shade, but I think you're gonna need longer than 60 seconds. All right, you're back. Hopefully that works. So far so good on the concealer front. It seems to be sitting nicely on top of the Summer Friday stuff, so that's really good. And now we're gonna go on to blush, and this is both a blush as well as a technique that I saw kind of being thrown out into the social world, and that's using MAC's Beam Liquid Blush and then creating this, like they call it like an aura technique looking blush, I guess. That's gonna make the blush extra dewy and your skin but better, but flushy, if that makes sense, not just like blush sitting on top. So this is a liquid blush. It has some sheen to it as well. It's buildable. I got the shade Apricot Jelly, which I just thought was like a fun orangey corally color. And what I saw them do, I need a brush for this. So what they seemed to do was put the, you know, the MAC strobe cream. Oh, I put on too much. Painted a circle on the face. Actually, I should have thought that through. I don't know exactly where this should go, but we'll try it there. And then we're gonna take our blush and we're going to dot it in the middle. And then we're gonna blend it out. Aura. Oh, that was the wrong move, Rachel. Also, probably too big of a brush. Yeah, I think I used way too big of a brush. I think I need a way smaller brush. Let's try this brush and we'll do it without the aura thing. I'm gonna put it back here. Can you see that at all? It is very subtle. Very subtle. They blended it with a brush too, right? Yeah, like theirs is more like a tapered brush, but like that's what they did. I guess it's for more of a like a soft flush. Like I can barely see the difference between one side and the other, right? Maybe I just keep building. Maybe I'll put a bunch on my hand here. I don't use a ton of liquid blushes. So maybe this is, you know, this is normal. This is how it's supposed to go. See, now I went overboard. Now that was too much, Rachel. Now I look like a clown. Okay, so it's definitely buildable. Now again, it also looks a little bit silly because I have no bronzer on and I have no blush on the other side. So it kind of depends on how much blush like look you want, because this is way more intense. Laughing nervously. Honestly, I don't know what to think of this. And I don't know if it's because I just haven't put it on my other cheek yet. You know? Jury is out on this one. Thoughts? Do we like it? Is this better than other blushes? I don't know. I blend it with a smaller blush brush this time. Is that better? Also, I should have accounted for the fact that there is already blush on this brush now. Also, I want some thoughts on the color. Is the color good? Is this a good color? It is exactly what they say it's gonna be. It is apricot jelly for sure. It's more orange than I've ever done in a blush, but I think it's nice. Let me know. Okay, now that the makeup is done, I have some shirts that have some built-in bras that I saw ads for. That's all I want. It's supposed to be seamless. It's not even, it's just in the front, the bra, like you don't even see it at the back, and I need to know if it's see-through, if it holds, if it actually like actually holds, you know? They're by Uniqlo and I love Uniqlo's t-shirts. If you've ever seen them before, if you're looking for the best white t-shirt that is not see-through at all, oh my goodness, that's the one. It's the only one I have ever found. It looks so good. If you go into an office at all, 10 out of 10. I would so recommend their t-shirts. They're incredible. These ones have built-in bras, so I needed to know. Do the bras bra in the way that I need them to bra? I got two different styles because I wanted to see I just needed to know how the t-shirts work. And then I also got a halter top and I got it in a medium and a small because typically I'm a small in a top, but according to the bra sizes, I'm not gonna fit it. So I got a medium and a small because I wanna see, I wanna know. So first of all, this really pretty like baby pink t-shirt. It has the built-in bra, you can see here, and it has the lower back, but there's basically nothing. It's all seamless bra material, like you can see. It has a thing there, but that's it. So I'm wondering what this looks like once you put it on. And then the other shirt, I got a white and a blue because I loved this blue, but I need to know if the white is see-through in that, like, can you see the bra, you know? So I got this one in a medium and then the other one in a small, and we're going to see how did these work? Did they fit? Are they worth it? Because the quality, they feel nice and thick, and I like the fact that they're padded. I know that's not everyone's thing, but I like that they're padded. And now I need to know, having had 3 children, if these work. Oh, actually, before I try them on, I do have I have a perfume. Jo Malone, I have seen a ton of ads behind they have a new Beach Blossom perfume. It has notes of lime, coconut water, and vanilla. It's supposed to have some cedar wood elements in it, very tropical, but I'm hoping it's more of an elevated tropical and not that sunscreen coconut, you know? I got the travel side, but like, look how gigantic that is. That's humongous. Like, I would never be able to get through this. This would take forever. I guess it depends on how much you're actually spraying, you know? Ooh, I think I like this. It has the freshness of the lime and the coconut is more of an undernote, but it's warm because of the vanilla and the cedarwood is really subtle. Oh, that smells like a really fancy resort that's tropical. It has something, it must be the lime. Yeah, it must be the lime. Something about it is it smells more floral, more fresh, not oceany and not coconut. Like, it has the warmth of the coconut and the vanilla, but then it has this bouquet afterwards that makes it, doesn't skew it into that category of sunscreens, you know? And then the lime just really is really refreshing, and it doesn't smell like lime. I just only, because I know that it's lime, do I say lime? If I didn't know that it was lime, I would say it was some sort of like fresh floral scent. It's not super citrusy. That's really beautiful. I'm gonna see how that dries down when we try on the clothes. All right, I got lazy, so we're just up from my chair. So this is a small and it fits me perfectly underneath, but the pads don't fit my chest. So I think that's why you can see the outline of the cups in the shirt, because otherwise like it fits great. It's nice and comfortable and everything, but a little bit unfortunate. You don't see it as much in this light as you do when I was trying it on in the bathroom. I was like, oh no. That's unfortunate because it is a cute shirt. So I'm gonna try on the small just to see how like see-through it is, but we already know it doesn't really fit. I am gonna try on the medium though, because I wanna know if the medium fits under as well as the chest. Let's try that. Okay, I went to go check in natural light. First of all, the shirt is so cute. But the cups are you can absolutely see them in natural light. So that's unfortunate, just the white. It does fit well. So let's see what it looks like in the blue, in the medium, just by comparison. So that's what that one looks like. And I really love the ribbing and everything in it. It's just like, it is see-through though, so. Okay, the blue color, gorgeous. I love this color so much. It still fits. It's just like, it's not as supportive underneath for me. And I don't know, like maybe it's just me. Like I can't see it in this light, but I swear to you, you can see the outline of the top of the cup. And maybe it's different if you have like a different chest size or something, I don't know, but like, you can see it. It is very evident. So I wish they had extra lined this or done something about the top seam of the cup. Cause like they were talking about how in the back, it's very, smooth. You can't really see. I don't think you can see, which is good. But the cup here is just very evident. I feel like I need to take you to the bathroom so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm moving the tag out of the way. Can you see it in here now? Like, is it just me? I feel weird at this angle. But like, this is just very obvious to me. I don't know. It's really cute though. So I don't, like maybe try it on in store. Ugh, the colors though, I need to go back into Uniqlo. Like it's just, love it. I love this store so much. It's just like, the built-in is just maybe it's just not for me. Not for me. Let me know if you've seen ads for these or if you've tried any of these products, if you like them, if you don't like them. Let me know what videos you guys like seeing and check out these videos on the side in case you've missed any. Subscribe if you have not already. New videos here every single Thursday. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also very curious what you guys think of like the two camera angles. Was that helpful or was that just chaotic? Maybe both. Check out these videos on the side in case you have missed any. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day and I will see you guys all in the next one.